Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have an unboxing kind of review of this new skirt that I recently purchased, and it is called, I'm gonna have to have a look because I've completely forgotten, Pieces Paperbag Waist Leather Look Mini Skirt. So it's a leather skirt, and this time it's not vegan. It's just a regular leather skirt. I'm just trying to make you see my new hair. I've had my hair recently dyed, and I've gone for more of a natural kind of ashy blonde. And on camera here, it's actually showing quite purple and, well, kind of a pink hue, and I absolutely adore it. So, also as you can tell, I'm filming from a different place, from a different room in my house, because I wanted you to see the natural light, the actual colour of the hair, because in my bedroom it comes out kind of a different colour. So this is how it is, and it's like pinky, icy blonde. It's coming up on camera, and it's really, really nice. It's more of a understated, it's more of a natural kind of golden icy blonde instead of the yellow blonde that I had the last time. It was kind of a white yellow blonde, and I absolutely love it. And it's really, really long. It's a beautiful pinky, icy champagne blonde. So I want to take you through what I'm wearing today too. So on my eyes, I have this pinky lip ammunition from Jeffree Star. It's called Thirst Trap, and it's a beautiful kind of shimmer pink, and the colour payoff is amazing. It's so, so beautiful, just stunning. And I also have the Morphe Jewel palette on my lip, and I have the pink shimmer. So I absolutely cannot get enough of it. It's a beautiful, beautiful colour, and it just gives you such a kind of metallic look, and I absolutely love it. And it's kind of faded. And also on my my eyebrows, I have a new mascara. It's a Scandalous mascara by Maybelline, and it just makes your lashes really, really long. And on my eyebrows, I'm wearing my usual Anastasia Beverly Hills, I don't know what it's called now, but yeah, I think you've seen it before. And on my lip, I have MAC Boldly Bare, and I have this creamy tint Colour Balm Intense in Bouquet Nudie by Mamonde, and I think it's just one of my favourite colours at the minute. It's such an amazing colour. It really, really makes my lips, it's kind of a pinky nude, and I love it. And also my hair, I've told you about. I love it. It's an icy kind of champagne pink blonde. It's coming off blonde on camera, pinky on camera, but it's a kind of icy platinum colour, and it's really, really nice, but it's natural too. It's really, really, really strange to put it into words. You have to see it in person, because on camera it kind of just doesn't do it justice. So that's that. And also my earrings, I'm wearing some earrings from, I think it's Accessorize. It's just some large hoops, and I really, really think it goes with the look really, really well. Sorry, my hair is still quite flat because it's brand new still. And my t-shirt, I'm wearing this yellow, kind of dusty yellow colour, and it says San Francisco on it. Can you see? And it's from Boohoo, and I really, really love it. My jewellery as well, my 3 usual chokers, which I absolutely cannot get enough of. I should really wear maybe 1 or 2, might be a little better, but I just always wear them as a 3. So this video is about a new skirt that I bought, and it's called the Pieces Paperbag leather skirt. Where can I find it here? Yeah, Pieces Paperbag Waist Leather Look Mini Skirt. I absolutely love it, and I'll just get it now for you so I can show you. This is the leather skirt, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's not vegan leather or anything like that. It's actual synthetic leather. It's not real leather either. Sorry, the light keeps going where I am. It's ruffled here. It has an elasticated band round the waist, and the tag is here, And I got mine from ASOS for £20, which is an absolute bargain. And I got it in size medium too. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on, and I have 3 outfits that I want to show you that I pair with the skirt. And they're kind of, one's a nighttime, one's a daytime, and one's just kind of everyday. So I'm going to slip this on now and I will show you the look. So this is actually, you can see it better there. And it's really, really gorgeous. It fits so well and very flattering. So I'll be 1 second and I'll show you the 3 looks. So the first look is my San Francisco shirt that I just showed you. And I'm wearing it with the skirt now. And I have my Gucci belt. This outfit I have teamed up with these black, shiny, patent shoes too. So this is the complete look. Such a beautiful skirt, as you can see. Just stunning. And I loved how I can just wear this with a yellow shirt, yellow t-shirt, and it just makes a look from daytime with a t-shirt to nighttime, and also with this Gucci belt too. It just cinches in at the waist and it just creates the whole outfit. The shoes, absolutely adore these shoes. You've seen them many times before. Next outfit is this green kind of fuzzy glitter jumper with the black skirt and the Gucci belt and these gorgeous sexy over the knee-high boots, and it just really makes the outfit. This is my favourite of the 3. You can wear it tucked out like that, or I like to tuck this in here. And it's such a sexy, sophisticated look. These are the boots. And I love over the knee-high boots, especially in winter, because they keep your legs warm, but still show a bit of skin, and that, I think that's kind of, you know, kind of sexy and classy. Like I said, this is my favourite look. It's just absolutely gorgeous. This is the outfit, the 3rd outfit, and I'm wearing a white blouse, and I've kind of replicated the Britney Spears video, Baby One More Time, with the little knot here, and I think it looks really, really gorgeous and stylish. And I'm wearing the black skirt, obviously, and Gucci belt, and these black velvet boots again, and I just love this look. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.